Today we will be hiking the Polk Creek Wildflower Trail. The first friend that you're likely to meet on a hike is this little guy right here. The triangle orb weaver spider, named for the distinctive triangle shape on its abdomen, which you can see there. They are very beneficial in catching insects, but be sure to duck under their webs. The hickory nut with its hard outer shell is delicious to eat once you get to the inside, and they come from this tree that you see before you, the shagbark hickory tree, one of the most common trees in Tennessee's deciduous forests. You can see it gets its name from the bark prominently peeling off of the trunk there. This bark can often serve as a home for a colony of bats. These trees can grow to a considerable size and are known to be one of the hardest of the hardwoods in Tennessee. I've run across a toad now who is taking advantage of his camouflage on this patch of moss, and as you can see, he's being very still so that we don't see him. And we're going to go right along and pretend that we don't. Beautiful Polk Creek, for which this trail is named, flows directly through this valley into the Tennessee River. Mushrooms play a little known but important role in the ecology of the forest floor. Unlike plants that synthesize their own energy, mushrooms often rely on symbiosis with a nearby plant root system to help them extract needed nutrients from the soil. Additionally, they're really cool to look at. I really like to do while out on the trail is called rotten log ecology, where you just go find a tree that's fallen in the woods and look underneath, and oftentimes you'll find something like the snail that's made its home there. It's really interesting to see how nature takes its course. Along those same lines, often on top of a rotten log, you'll find something like this colony of mushrooms growing there. Once again, they're seeking the nutrients they need. This giant oak towers above its neighbors with a forked trunk. It is one of the most distinctive and also one of the oldest trees on the trail, with an impressive canopy. Beneath it, the gall. A gall is formed when an insect known as a gall wasp injects the tree, inducing this oddly shaped growth. It then lays its eggs inside, and they hatch out in a number of days. Beautiful Kentucky lake. And hiking in the shade atop thick moss offers unparalleled comfort, even in the great outdoors. So now we'll scurry like this skink back to our homes. And I hope to see you soon on the trail.